Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Okay, Kaizer Chiefs ikhiphe i-travelling squad. I-team yabo izotravel iye laphana what is this country, eZambia. Akunama-surprises-ke bafethu engiwabonile. Abantu bengingaba-expect ukuthi bazoba khona la ethimini. Obviously-ke baningi abadrojiwe abangekho ku-22 because of siyazi ukuthi ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs ayi-30 something. I think I-registered close to, I think ba-register i-40 ku-CAF, if not more. No, man, i-CAF ivumela ukuthi ba-register 40. Ucoach uKaizer Chiefs Cedric Keza, I remember ku-conference ethi ba-register about 35, meaning that ababarejistile so far abangekho kule squad lesi around 15 or so. But-ke kunama-surprises esibabonile bafethu, esiwabonile because of uPeterson ukhona, uVuma, then kuno-third goalkeeper choice manje ubani, uTakalani isibongo sakhe. I remember ngisipronounce kabi because of thina we don't have uZH, so I can't read uZH ukuthi yini, but ngathi mabambiza bathi uMahamba, ngathi bathi uMahamba, third goalkeeper choice eKaizer Chiefs, obeka khona laphana ku-under 20 World Cup. Ngathi one of the goalkeepers ku-under 20. I mean, hayi, ibhola libuhlungu. Before ngiya kude, ibhola libuhlungu. Umuntu bekubonakala ngathi oyi-choice laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs umukwena. Umukwena uvimba naye uTakalani laphana ku-DDC team. All of a sudden bathatha ulona uTakalani bambeka manje as i-third choice goalkeeper eKaizer Chiefs. Sikhumbule ukuthi kunoBunhle Molefe, kunoNtwari. uNtwari kusho ukuthi khona bamdirejistile. Ngiyasola ukuthi uNtwari bamdirejistile because of experience injury. At the same time akakadlali that much this season. Ku-Continental Showpiece bekatravela nje just for the sake of ukutravela. So iKaizer Chiefs iyabona ukuthi no, sisipromote abafana bethu abancane. Bengicabanga ukuthi bazopromote uMukwena. UMukwena, I'll never forget, belaphana eDurban, but I think it makes sense because of uTakalani uyi-first choice goalkeeper laphana ku-DDC team bafowethu. So congrats to umfana, first team ngiyaqala ukumbona ngapha uyandiza uye eZambia, ayiziyaphihliwe. And then-ke laphana ku-right back kunoThabiso Munyane noSolomons. Ma-coach eKaizer Chiefs ngiyazi ukuthi azodlalisa uSolomons. And well, it's ngingazam-attack uSolomons because of create ama-goal out for iKaizer Chiefs so far this season. Eden McCarthy noMarco, Given Msimango ungakadlali, uKwinika, uMiguel, uMabaso. NoMabaso kokuqala bafethu azodlala kuKaizer Chiefs noma eya laphana international ku-Continental Showpiece, captain yaku-DDC team. Udlalile igame yakhe the previous Kaizer Chiefs game la umfana ungene late second half, but simbonile ukuthi umfana une-confidence and i-arrogance, ukuzithemba laphana egrawundini. It's not like ukuthi unenkinga nabantu, just ukuthi kumele uzazi ukuthi I'm here to play, I'm here to represent those who came before me negama lakwaMabaso noma isibongo sakwaMabaso. Then khona uNdlovu Lebohang Maboya, uNgcobo, uMdusha Balala, uVilakazi, uPule Modi. Last game uPule Modi simbonile, decent performance, but-ke abantu abaningi bayakhala ngoPule Modi because of an average mawubheka ama-performances wakhe this season below pair. Vele bayi wakadlalanga last game, high confusion ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Vele bayi is probably the most exciting direct winger ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but last game akadlalanga. But yeah, no bawatholile ama-result. uLilepo, bad previous game, but ukhona esquadini abamdropanga uLilepo. So mbona ukuthi ku-Continental against iZesco because of bayamane eZambia. Then uBatman for the first time naye ukhona kule squad. So abatravelayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs baya laphana ku-CAF, uMayo, uSilva, meaning that i-striker hayi kunzima ku-Chiefs bafethu, kunzima kakhulu futhi, hayi indaba yokudlala. uMayo obviously-ke usadlalela ukuthi bazame ukumthemba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi maybe bamnike i-long term contract, lo 3 years or noma i-2 years bamthenge permanent. But-ke yeah, so bona cause of khona iplayer eline-injured, khona aba-injured kumele ngiba-check laphana ku-Chiefs cause I saw something namhlanje, but I'll check ukuthi abafana abekho na abathintekile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke babadrobhile abekho esquadini. uCele bengicabanga ukuthi uzo-recover in time because of bengingacabanga ukuthi i-injury yakhe ima-affecta ngaleyo ndlela leyo cause ngimbonile ejimini laphana ejoga. Sazi ukuthi bamdrobhe base i-match fitness ukuthi akanayo or i-injury yakhe yiyo le mkhipha out for some time, asazi ngempela. Or ukuthi iy'nkinga zakhe nabo-coach. I'll dig deep on that, sibone ukuthi ey'nsukwini ukuthi ngiyitholani ngalezo y'ndaba lezo. uMahlona is currently dealing ne-injury. Ethan Cheslet namhlanje abakamselect akekho Ethan Cheslet Nshinga, both of them abekho lapha nesquadini. uCross siyazi uCross ukuthi ulimele yena. Bathi Dotli akakabuyi. Ngishilo kodwa ngathi there is no way uDotli adlale ngoJanuary. Ngishilo there is no way uDotli adlale ngoJanuary. Bathi abantu bathi hawu uyabuya, ngathi okay we'll see. Sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoKarabo Molefe, ukuthi what's happening ngaye because of Karabo Molefe, fourth choice goalkeeper eKaizer Chiefs. Kumele ngabe uyi-third choice since uNtwari aney'nkinga but-ke naye ubuya kwi-injury noma he was injured umfana. Maybe akekho ready ukuthi adlale naye. Foster, I'll check. I don't know what's but ngimbonile man uFoster Stadium previous game. Ngimbonile. So Mthetho siyazi ukuthi ulimele. Obani abanye singabacabanga ukuthi abekho esquadini laphana at all. Gaston Sirino u-available akade, is perfectly available. He can play. He's ready to play. Fully recovered. But abamselekthanga. It's very rare ukuthi bangamselect uSirino, umuntu abamdingayo. Because i-Chiefs ithi bathi bona bafuna abantu abane-experience kukho. Siyakhumbula bafethu ubani ucoach we-Chiefs uBen Yusuf, iKaizer Chiefs ihlule ukuwina. Athi kunama-player almost wonke ama-player 80% ama-player weKaizer Chiefs awanayo i-continental experience ukudlala e-Africa. Unaba boSirino badrojiwe, abekho nasesquadini but aboSirino banayo leyo experience. But this could be a sign, lento bengisho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ithenge i-renew i-contract kaGaston Sirino unless if uGaston Sirino uzothatha i-pay cut more than 50% emasalarini wakhe. I don't see uSirino survive. Igadaro is perfectly fine, 100% available. Dupreez, uDuba, Morris, bonke labadlali laba abekho esquadini seKaizer Chiefs. 22-man squad. They decided ukuthi baselecte abafana abancane than ukuthi bathathe lamakhehla lawo abawazi ukuthi awadlali. Khona ngingakhulumi because sometimes ngikhuluma into la engiyizwayo noma engiyibonayo and then thola ukuthi ama-player awakazi. Khona ama-players ohamba uKaizer Chiefs esisho ngawo, we just have to confirm to be 100%. But yeah, i-intel yami if you're right, khona ama-player i-future yabo iphelile kuKaizer Chiefs, but sokhuluma ngabo abafowethu ey'nsukwini ngoJuni kuzogcada kube direct ukuthi hayi indaba yabo yaKaizer Chiefs iphelile. Sibafisela inhlanhla abadlali laphana eZesco, what an opportunity for abafana abancane ukuthi baziprove ukuthi noma ngithe Zambia against iZesco ukuthi ba-approve abafana abancane. Mawubheka lapha phambili abafana abancane abangakwazi ukulida uVilakazi, uShabalala nanguNomabaso if bazomnika i-chance. But sikhumbule uNdlovu uperforme kahle kakhulu last game and ngeke ngasho ukuthi i-pay yakhe yena noLebohang Maboy ingaba good kakhulu because of bowu-two banama-engine labadlali laba, bowu-two bane-work rate, bowu-two bayakwazi ukulwa. Futhi hayi uNdlovu unomzimba omncane but leyo nto leyo uyayikhohlwa uma umbukele ngoba i-work rate yakhe is all over the space. Angaba I think uNdlovu if angadlala ne-midfield engahlakaniphanga, iKaizer Chiefs ingaba easily exposed because of uNdlovu is all over the place, uyamove. But kuLebohang Maboy be-understand-a ukuthi okay lo makamove mina ithi ngisale ngibhlokhe nje izinto ezingenzeka la. And then uNdlovu-ke isikhathi esiningi unokuthola amalokhunjana ama-yellow card unnecessary naye because of uyi-hard tackler. So if it comes to you uzama ukuya all out, but ubani ongawadingi ama-player ne-aggression? Sonke siyawadinga lawo ma-player lawo futhi siyawahlonipha. I-striker igoli asazi ukuthi lizoza kubani, ukuthi uSilva uzokwazi ukukora on the continent. Striker zakuKaizer Chiefs kuma-group stage azikakakori negoli elilodwa. Wrong noma ngi-right? Yes, I think ngi-100% because of i-Al-Masri ishayile iKaizer Chiefs. Then lena e-Egypt kore uSolomons, then even nala at home uSolomons uye ubheka kuthi uyasquare laphana ugoalkeeper weZamalek azange lamhlula lela bhola ukuthi alibambe. So strikers zakuChiefs azikakakori negoli elilodwa, or ngithi abantu balaphana phambili koKaizer Chiefs abakakori ku-CAF kuma-group stages, bagcina ukukora kuma-prelim rounds noma ngithi ama-qualifications wakhona. But-ke ku-real competition iy'trayikha zawo-Chiefs azikakakori. Silva, uMayo, ubani ozokwazi ukukora noma bazolinda ama-wingers olilepo baze bavuke la balele khona asazi. Batman, it's very exciting to see uBatman novele baye ba-travel-a nethimu baya le ko-Zambia cause bengilalele lo baba lo i-CEO ye-Cape Town Spurs yathi yona angeke isayilwa le mpi lena, izoyekela nje abafana bazenzele umathanda ukuthi baloke bathi bona bayabavimba abafana ukuthi bahambe, no ngeke basayenza leyo nto leyo. But-ke ukubeke straight ukuthi even ngoba la bantu laba abahambayo bayahamba yes ukuthi but babheke bonke ukuthi baphelelaphi, kusho ukuthi abayindawo la bantu laba abahamba ku-Cape Town Spurs noma sithi ku-Ajax Cape Town. Le nto ayishoyo lo mkhulu ayikho-ke, bakhona abadlali ababa nama-career amakhulu kabi ngokuhamba. Yena nje beka-emele ukuthola imali serious ku-Chiefs, unfortunately azange bakwazi ukuyithola le mali, icala labachitha. Then they tried ukubhlokha almost wonke umdlalo wabo laphana, but abanye we saw them bejoyina amanye ama-team ngemali ephansi. So ziyakhala ebholeni bafethu, ngicela ukuzibamba lana okwamanje. Kaizer Chiefs squad sabo 22-man squad, amagoli